Hi guys, we're here. We're going to change out the reverse lights on this 2008 Pontiac Vibe. So to access them, normally you would go through the internal side, but for these you got to go underneath. And if you can kind of see up there, that's what we have to access and change out. So here we go. So that's what the bulbs look like, just basic ones. All right, and it is kind of tight up there, but basically you're gonna reach your hand up, you're gonna feel the bulb, and on the back, you're gonna feel that there are two tabs that come off of it. You're gonna twist it counterclockwise, and that's gonna allow you to disengage it and pull it out. So we did that, and now we've got the bulb free, and now we're just gonna swap it out. And there we have it. Quick in and out, now we're gonna test it.